These are washable, reusable, ultra-absorbent, about 7 by 8 inches. You can put them in the dishwasher, wash them in the washing machine, and they absorb 20 times their weight in water. They're a Swedish cellulose and cotton. I'll just show you here. This thing is just soaking up so much water, being fully immersed. It's still not even dripping at all for me. And then you can just wring it out and reuse it again and again and again. So impressive. Love how they can soften up. I love how I can stack them. Love that I have plenty. You can actually just really get rid of paper towels, so I feel like they're a good eco alternative. Super durable, no issues there. I could not be happier with this. This is not going to leak it, and I can just reuse it again and again. It's going to soak up all that water, be completely moist, and then I can wring it out, and it's almost completely dry again for me. So couldn't be happier with the results of these. If you're on the fence, these are a no-brainer. If this helps, please give it a like so I know to make more videos like this.